Hello, good day mga kamatiks! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is one of the alternative means to study and learn mathematics online. And this is in response to the pandemic time, distance learning. So come on everybody, let's get it on! Have fun in exploring mathematics with Sir Reynaldo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating YouTube channel. So, start natin ang ating lesson sa grade 10 math. And this is what we call arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence, kung minsan ang tawag dyan ay arithmetic progression. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng arithmetic sequence? For example, meron tayong number na 2, 6, 10, 14. Sa iyong palagay, ano ang susunod na numbers? So, 2, 6, 10, 14. Susunod natin dyan ay 18. Sunod natin ay 22. And we have 26. Paano nakuha yon? So, yung 6, para maging 6, dinagdagan natin yung 2 ng 4. Para maging 10, dinagdagan natin yung 6 ng 4. Then, another 4, another 4, another 4, another 4. Okay, let's have another. Paano kung ang given natin ay 5, tapos 8, 11? Okay, next. Ano sa palagay nyo ang next na numbers? So, we have 14, 17, and we have 20. Paano nangyari yon? So, yung 5, dinagdagan natin ng 3, kaya naging 8. Nagdagdag ulit tayo ng 3, naging 8, dagdag ng 3, dagdag ng 3, dagdag ng 3. So, mapapansin natin, meron silang pare-parehong distansya. Ganon din dito yung 3. And we call this common difference. Ang tawag natin dyan sa mathematics ay common difference. Bakit tinawag na common difference? Di ba ang difference is the number obtained from the subtraction. So, yung 6, sinubtract natin yung 2, naging 4. 10 subtracted by 6, 4. That's why it's called common difference. Bakit common? Kasi common yung number. Pare-pareho yung number. Okay, so, meron tayong tinatawag na common difference. So, kung meron tayong 6, then 11, then 16, then 21, of course, ang susunod dyan ay 26, 31, and 36. Ang tawag natin sa sequence na ito ay arithmetic sequence. Pag sinabing arithmetic sequence, okay, it is a sequence whose succeeding terms are obtained by adding the common difference to the previous terms. Okay, so yun na, magdadagdag tayo. Susunod sa 26, 30, and so on and so forth. Okay, paano naman kung ganito ang given? Meron tayong 8, then we have 5, we have 2, then and so on and so forth. So, mapapansin natin ngayon, pabaligtad yung number. Mula sa mataas, pababa na pababa. So, sa tingin mo, ilan yung idadagdag natin? So, yung 8 at saka 5, para makuha natin yung common difference, sabi natin, isubtract natin yung succeeding term by the previous term. So, 5 minus 8 is equal to negative 3. And so, with 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Ano ngayon na idadagdag natin para maging ang difference nila ay negative 3? So, ang gagawin natin, blank minus 2 is equal to negative 3. So, ano yung blank na yan? So, magiging x minus 2. Okay, let this one be equal to x is equal to negative 3. So, x is equal to negative 3 plus 2. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1. So, ito ay magiging negative 1. Or, negative 1, magdagdag tayo ng negative 3. We have negative 4. Then, we have negative 7. And so on and so forth. So, ganun ang gagawin natin. So, ano ang common difference niya? We have negative 3. So, paano naman kung given na yung sequence, tapos gusto natin kunin yung pang-pitong term, or yung pang-sampung term, or we call it the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. For example, 2, 5, 8, and so on and so forth. At gusto natin kunin yung 7th term. Or in symbol, we call it the A7. Ang kukunin lang natin ay yung pang-pitong terms. Okay, here we go. Bago natin makuha yung A7, okay, siyempre kung minsan tayo, mahilig tayong mag-discover, gusto natin ng trial and error or manual search. So, for example, 2, 5, 8, alam natin na ang susunod ay 11, 14, 17, 20. Dahil ang common term or common difference niya ay 3. So, magdagdag lang tayo ng 3. So, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3, 8, plus 3, 11, and so on and so forth. And manually, we can now physically detect or determine that the A7 or the 7th term is equal to 20. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th term is 20. Sir, paano kung ang gusto natin kunin ay yung pang 20th term, pang 50th term? So, doon na tayo magkakatalo. Alangan namang ilista mo lahat yan at mag-aantay ka para doon. E, paano kung hindi siya dumating? Di ba? Okay. So, let's do it with 2, 5, 8, 7. Gusto natin kunin yung 12th term. Okay, yung pang 12 naman ngayon ang kukunin natin. So, ganun pa rin, 20, pero ang worst nito, paano kung nagkamali tayo ng isang term? Nailagay natin na 20, is supposed to be ang nasa 20 ay 23, nailagay natin 24, and we continue doing it. So, kung nagkamali ka, dapat i-check mo na agad. Kasi kung nagkamali ka, hindi mo na pwede baguhin. Tuloy-tuloy na yun. Biktima ka na. Okay, paano kung ang gusto natin kuning term ay 20th, 30th, 40th? O di ba? Ang layo ng kukunin natin, tapos iisa-isahin natin. Eh, paano kung doon sa step dito, nagkamali ka na isang term? So, una mong pagkakamali mo na yan habang buhay. Kaya pag nagkamali ka, dapat iayos mo na. At para maging sure, dapat gamitan natin siya ng formula. Okay, dito natin i-derive yung formula ng arithmetic sequence. A sub 1 natin ay equal sa 2. Or simply, A sub 1 is equal to A sub 1. Para makuha yung A sub 2, anong ginawa natin sa A sub 1? Dinagdagan natin ng isang common difference. Yung A sub 3, yung A sub 1 natin na una, ilang beses tayo nagdagdag ng common difference? 2 beses. Isang D plus another D. Or simply, A sub 1 is equal to 2D. How about A sub 4? So, yung A sub 1 natin, dahil pang 4 siya, 3 beses tayo nagdagdag ng difference. A sub 5 is equal to A sub 1 plus 4D. And so, with A sub 6, A sub 1 plus 5D. A sub 7 is equal to A sub 1 plus 6D. Okay, tingnan natin yung formula. Gamitin natin to solve for the A sub 7. So, A sub 7 is equal to A sub 1 plus 6D. Ano bang A sub 1 natin? Or yung first term natin, that is 2 plus 6. Ano common difference natin? 3. So, magiging 2 plus 6 times 3 is equal to 18 plus 2, then we have 20. Actually, eto siya. O, di ba? So, instead na magbilang tayo manually, na pwede naman tayo magkamali ng hindi inaasahan, pwede naman na natin gamitin yung formula. Eh sir, paano kung hindi natin alam yung term na kukunin natin? Dito na ngayon papasok yung general formula. Mapapansin natin na pag 3, 2 beses tayong nagdagdag. Pag 4, 3 beses tayong nagdagdag. Pag 5, 4 na beses tayong nagdagdag. Kasi yung una, that is already the first term. Kaya may bibilang na lang kung ilang beses tayo nagdagdag na common difference. Eh sir, kung ang kukunin ko ay a sub 20, so magiging a sub 1 plus 19d. Kung a sub 30, a sub 1 plus 29d. Eh paano kung nth term? Nth term ang kukunin natin. So sa nth term, dahil ang sabi natin, lagi natin lang binabawasan ng isa. So magiging a sub n is equivalent to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Ito ngayon ang gagamitin natin to solve for any nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, let's have some more examples. Okay, halimbawa, ang gusto nating kuning term ay yung 10th term of an arithmetic sequence. So, this is another example. Gusto natin kunin yung pang 10th term ng arithmetic sequence na ito ang kanyang term. So, una, kunin natin ang common difference. So, to get the common difference, so 2 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 2. So, the answer is negative 3 square root of 2. So, paano natin kukunin yung 10th term? So, a sub 10 is now equal to a sub 1 plus 9 common difference. Kasi 9 na beses tayo magdadagdag na kanyang common difference. So, anong a sub 1? 2 square root of 2 plus 9. Ano ang common difference niya? Negative 3 square root of 2. So, 2 square root of 2 plus or 9 times negative 3 is negative 27 square root of 2. 2 square root of 2 minus 27 square root of 2, they are similar terms. So, magiging negative 25 square root of 2. And this is now our final answer. So, hindi na natin kailangang negative 1, negative 4, negative 7, negative 10. Eh, paano kung nagkamali ka sa isang term, tapos itinuloy mo pa rin yung negative 3 square root of 2? So, wala na. Mahihirapan ka na doon sa part na yan. So, that's the benefit of using now the arithmetic sequence formula. Okay, another example will be like this. The first term is equal to 8 and the common difference is 4. Then we have to get the 12th term. Okay, so ganito ang gagawin natin. So, a sub 12 or a 12th is equal to a sub 1 plus 11 common differences. Why 11? Kasi nga 12 minus 1. So, anong a sub 1 natin? We have 8 plus 11. Ano ang common difference natin? Given na meron na siyang 4. So, 8 plus 11 times 4 is 8 plus 44. 44 plus 8, that is equal to 52. So, hindi na natin kailangan ay 8. Dagdag tayo ng 4. Then, dagdag another 4 hanggang sa makuha natin yung 52. So, that is if the given are the first term and the common difference. Okay, paano naman kung ang given natin ay yung first term at saka another term pero hindi natin alam yung common difference? Hindi natin alam yung pagitan nila. Okay, so a sub 1 natin ay 3. Second term, third term, fourth term is 21. Okay, if we are going to do it manually, ganito ang gagawin natin. So, 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. Ilan ang layo ng 21 sa 3? Tatlo. So, second, third, and fourth. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So, yung 6, ito yung ating common difference. So, do it manually. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, plus 6 is 15. Okay, so meron na tayong first term, meron na tayong common difference. So, let us solve A sub 8 is na equal to A sub 1 plus 7D. Anong A sub 1 natin? That is 3. Plus 7, ang common difference is 6. So we have 3 plus 42 is equal to 45. And that's now our answer. So ganun lang siya kadali. Basta, lagi tayo mag-stick doon sa formula ng arithmetic sequence. And the basic needs are the first term and the common difference. Okay, what about if the given general rules are in this form? We have a sub n is equal to 2n squared minus 1, and we have a sub n is equal to 1 over 3n minus 2. So again, by rote learning, we are just going to follow what we did a while back. So simply, we have to substitute the value of n as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because we are just getting the first 5 terms. So a sub 1 is equivalent to 2 times 1 minus square minus 1 is now equal to 2. 1 square is still 1 minus 1. So we have 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1, that is equal to positive 1. A sub 2 is now equal to 2. Then substitute the value of n, which is 2 square minus 1. So we have 2 times 2 square is equivalent to 4 minus 1. So 2 times 4 is 8 minus 1, and that is equal to 7. A sub 3, then we are going to assign the value of n, which is equal to 3. 2, then we have 3 square minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 square is equivalent to 9 minus 1. 2 times 9 is 18 minus 1, therefore we have 17. A sub 4, simply we have 2 times 4 square minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 square is equivalent to 16 minus 1. 16 times 2 is 32 minus 1, so therefore we have 31. A sub 5 is now equal to 2, 5, then square minus 1 is equal to 2 times 25 minus 1. So we have 2 times 25 is 50 minus 1. So the answer is 49. Okay, this time, a sub n, 2n is equal to 2n squared minus 1 has its terms equal to 1, 6, 17, 31, and 49. Okay, how about a sub n is equivalent to 1 over 3n minus 2? So again, we simply substitute the values of n such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So a sub 1 is equivalent to 1 over 3 times 1 minus 2 will be now equal to 1 over 3 minus 2, or 1 over 1, or simply 1. A sub 2 will be 1 over 3 times 2 minus 2 will be equal to 1 over 6 minus 2. Therefore, we have 1 over 4. Then we have a sub 3 be equal to 1 over 3 times 3 minus 2 is equal now to 1 over 9 minus 2, and that is equivalent to 1 over 7. How about a sub 4? So we have a sub 4 is equivalent to 1 over 3 times 4 minus 2 will now be equal to 1 over 12 minus 2, and that is equivalent to 1 over 10. How about a sub 5? That is equal to 1 over 3 times 5 minus 2 will now be equal to 1 over 15 minus 2. Therefore, 1 over 13. So therefore, the terms for a sub n is equal to 1 over 3 and minus 2 are 1 over 1, 1 over 4, 1 over 7, 1 over 10, and 1 over 13. Okay, let's take a study of the sequence. Okay, class, we notice that on the a sub n is equivalent to 20 squared minus 1, we have the sequence 1, 7, 17, 31, 49, and the like. Then we have on the A7 is equivalent to 1 over 3 and minus 2. We have 1 over 1, 1 over 4, 1 over 7, 1 over 10, 1 over 13. Do you notice that there is no common difference? Okay, let us see. 1 and 7 has difference of 6, has difference of 10, has difference of 14, has difference of 18. So there is no common difference. Yet, still they are still called a sequence. But this time, this will fall under our next kind of sequence, that is geometric sequence. And so with this time, if we cannot take any difference at all, if we have 1 over 1, then we have 1/4. So, actually, their differences are not common. So, therefore, these two terms or two general rules are no longer in the arithmetic sequence, though they are still a sequence. And these two topics will be discussed on the latter part of our video presentation. So, at para sa karagdagang video pa sa mga susunod natin mga lessons sa mathematics, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and let us have fun in exploring mathematics with Sir Reynaldo.